Hello, this is just a small video to show you how this video class works on Zoom. Well, that's it for a start. You'll need to have Zoom, the Zoom app, and it works on your desktop computers and also iPads. It even works on phones, although I wouldn't recommend a phone too much. It's too small, the screen for you to be comfortable to look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you the rest of the panels which I switch in and out of as the class goes on. Okay, so let's have a look. So I can show you the reference here. This is a sample image that I got. I've painted it before in my live classes, but just to show you a full screen image of what, for example, we'll be painting. It'll be a different image. So here's the palette. Okay, so you can see me mix the paint here. I can also show you the materials that I'm going to be using. Okay, so there's the palette. This is the main working screen. So my face is gone, which is probably no harm. So we've got the image that I'm painting, and you'll be able to see me painting the image. You can still see the reference, of course, and you can see where I'm mixing my paint. So even though this panel here is slightly smaller, I can switch in between the large panel and the small version like that. So you can still see me painting, okay? And then I'll be switching back and forth mostly between there, and then for the question and answers at the end, I'll be back here. So that'll be great. Now, Zoom has a function. I'll be muting you during the actual painting part. I'll be there to say hello and probably get some conversation going then, and then at the very end there'll be I'll unmute and we'll have the question and answers. I'll probably be wearing headphones because you need that with this kind of activity, because otherwise you get a feedback loop of sound, which isn't pleasant for anyone. So I'll probably have headphones on there. But then that's it. So I hope to see you on Friday week, which is June the 27th. Yes, at 6:30, excuse me, GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So what will that be? 5 hours behind in eastern seaboard of the US. Okay, so I hope to see you then. And I'm looking forward to it. It's an exciting departure for me. Okay, bye.